Hey y'all, so I am bored cooking in the house, about to make some fish for the family. Few things that we are gonna do. I'm gonna put some soul seasoning on it, some garlic powder, some onion powder, getting it right the way it's supposed to be. That's my black pepper. My family is from the South, so typically we like our seasonings. Like I've started being a lot healthier to where if I do season like this, I only season one side to prevent it from being salty. Okay, y'all, so now that the fish is all battered, and I battered it with this, as you saw me season it, now we're going to add it to the grease. We're waiting on our grease to get hot, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so we are cooking. Almost got it there. Okay, guys, so the fish is done. We're going to move on to the sides. Okay, we're off to deep fry the shrimp. Typically, I use this size shrimp for my chicken salad. I'll do like a grilled shrimp in it, some canned chicken, some peppers, some onions, some garlic. It's really, really good. And then you just put it in the fridge and eat it with crackers. But today, because my kids are begging and begging for fried food, we are gonna deep fry it. So let's go. Y'all, we put a little Old Bay on there, some pepper. I like my food spicy, so it's gonna be a little bit spicy. So one of the things that I made a mistake with is I fried it. I'm getting ready to fry it and it's not all the way thawed out. So it may slow down the grease when the water hits it from out of the shrimp because I was supposed to completely defrost it. But we are hungry and that's not gonna happen. You know, our quarantine doesn't have to be boring. I've been thinking about that. That we kind of got to be thankful for those of us that are healthy and happy. I've lost a couple of people due to the coronavirus. I have friends that are sick from it, and I'm just thankful at this point to be able to be home, to be able to have my kids, and to be provided for. So sometimes you just have to be thankful. And if you're struggling while you're watching this video, just keep pressing. God's not done yet. Okay, our shrimp are done. I kind of wish that I would have used a different batter because it has cornmeal in it, and I kind of like it with flour better. But next time. Okay, y'all. I got my fish, I got my potatoes, got my corn, and I got my shrimp. Have a good day.